Bangla Road is the ultimate party spot in Phuket, Thailand, buzzing with energy. This beach is famous for its crystal clear waters, white sand, and stunning sunsets. However, it's also known for its wild nightlife. And Bangla Road is the center of it all. Once the clock hits 6 p.m., Bangla Road becomes a no-car zone, transforming into a lively pedestrian paradise. Picture bars, nightclubs, go-go bars, and live music spilling out everywhere. It's a total party scene. The entire road is packed with people from all over the world who come to dance, drink, and have a good time. The streets are filled with thumping music, bright lights, and the sound of laughter. Everyone here is having a great time. So, what makes Bangla Road so famous? Well, it's a place where you can let loose and have the time of your life. Here are 15 things you need to know before visiting. Number 1, it's the most famous nightlife street in Phuket. Bangla Road is without a doubt the most popular nightlife destination in Phuket. It attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world who come to experience its electric atmosphere. Whether you're looking for a wild night out or just want to experience the vibrant Thai culture, Bangla Road has something for everyone. Number 2, it closes to traffic after 6 p.m. Every day at 6 p.m., Bangla Road closes to traffic and becomes a pedestrian-only zone. This allows visitors to explore the street without the worry of being hit by a car and lets them focus on having fun. It's also a great way to control the crowds and keep everyone safe. During this time, the street comes alive with neon lights, loud music, and dancing. People from all over the world come together to enjoy the electric atmosphere. No. 3, it's full of bars, nightclubs, go-go bars, and live music venues. There are hundreds of bars, nightclubs, go-go bars, and live music venues along Bangla Road. Each one offers a unique experience that you won't forget. From classic Thai restaurants to international cuisine, there's something for everyone here. You can also find a variety of shops, markets, and other attractions in the area. No, 4. Some of the most popular clubs on Bangla Road include Illusion, Sugar, and White Room. These clubs are known for their thumping music, energetic crowds, and amazing light shows. If you're looking for a night of dancing and partying, then these are the places to go. Illusion is one of the most popular clubs on Bangla Road. It's known for its massive size, incredible sound system, and world-class DJs. If you're looking for a big night out, then this is the place to go. Number 5, it's known for its neon lights, loud music, and party atmosphere. Bangla Road is famous for its vibrant and festive atmosphere. The streets are lined with neon lights, colorful signs, and thumping music that can be heard from far away. This lively atmosphere creates an exciting and memorable experience for everyone who visits. No, 6. Expect large crowds, especially on weekends. On weekends, Bangla Road can get extremely crowded. Thousands of people from all over the island come to experience the legendary nightlife. Be prepared to walk shoulder to shoulder with other visitors and to wait in long lines for drinks and food despite the crowds. The energy is electric and the atmosphere is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Number 7, street performers and dancers will capture your attention. As you walk down Bangla Road, you'll be amazed by the talented street performers and dancers. They'll wow you with their skills and energy and make you feel like you're a part of the show. Don't forget to tip them as they rely on donations to make money. No, 8. Lady boys, also known as Kapli, perform on Bangla Road. Lady boys are a common sight on Bangla Road. They're Thai transgender women who perform in shows and bars throughout the city. While some may find their performances offensive, they're an important part of Thai culture and history. It's important to be respectful when watching ladyboy shows. No. 9. Bar hostesses are everywhere on Bangla Road. Bar hostesses are another common sight on Bangla Road. They're typically young Thai women who work in bars and clubs to attract customers. They're friendly and outgoing and are always happy to chat with tourists. Keep in mind that they're not allowed to touch or proposition customers. Number 10, it's safe for tourists, but be aware of your surroundings. While Bangla Road is generally safe for tourists, it's important to be aware of your surroundings. Pickpocketing and scams are common, so keep an eye on your belongings at all times. Avoid flashing large amounts of cash or jewelry and be wary of strangers who may be trying to scam you. Overall, as long as you take the necessary precautions, you should have a safe and enjoyable time on Bangla Road. Number 11. Drinks and prices vary depending on where you go. The price of drinks on Bangla Road varies depending on where you go. Some bars and clubs are more expensive than others, but you can usually find a wide range of prices to fit your budget. Keep in mind that during peak hours, prices may be higher than usual. So if you're looking to save money, try visiting during off-peak hours. Number 12, it's open every night of the week. Bangla Road is open every night of the week, so you can visit any day you like. However, it's important to note that the busiest nights are Friday and Saturday. If you're looking for a more relaxed atmosphere, try visiting on a weeknight. Number 13, it's busiest between 9 p.m. and 2 a.m. Bangla Road comes alive at around 9 p.m. when the first bars and clubs start to open. The street is packed with people dancing, drinking, and having a great time. The atmosphere is electric and the music is thumping until the early hours of the morning. If you're looking for a night to remember, then this is it. Number 14, there are massage parlors nearby. If you're looking for a relaxing massage after a long day of exploring, there are several massage parlors near Bangla Road. These parlors offer a variety of services, including traditional Thai massage, foot scrubs, and aromatherapy. Keep in mind that some of these establishments may also offer other services. Number 15, there's street food and shopping stalls, along with the bars and clubs. Bangla Road is also home to a variety of street food and shopping stalls. You can find everything from fresh fruit shakes to pad thai and souvenirs to body paint. The food is delicious and the prices are reasonable. Plus, you can haggle for the items you buy. So, whether you're looking for a wild night out or just want to experience the vibrant Thai culture, Bangla Road has something for everyone. Just remember to be respectful of the local customs and traditions. And you're sure to have a great time. Thanks for watching this video about Bangla Road in Phuket, Thailand. We hope you enjoyed learning about this famous nightlife destination and that it has given you some insight into what to expect when you visit. Have you been to Bangla Road? What are your thoughts on this bustling street? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos about travel, culture, and more. Until next time, happy travels!